Have your iPhone contacts mysteriously disappeared? Don't panic. Here's a quick guide to restore them. After watching this video, if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like to this video. So, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then go to your iPhone settings. Then tap your name at the top. After that, select iCloud. Then tap on Show All. Now turn off the contacts toggle and then turn it back on. After that, ensure the contacts toggle is enabled. This syncs your iCloud contacts to your iPhone. Then check Gmail sync. Go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down to Mail. Tap Accounts and select your Gmail account. Now again, turn off the contacts toggle and then turn it back on. This syncs your Gmail contacts to your iPhone. Now restart your iPhone. First turn off your iPhone, then turn it on again. By following these 3 steps, your missing contacts should reappear on your iPhone. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.